Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have something a little bit different than what I had originally planned. So originally I was going to do part 2 of the Chanel 22K, which is the fall winter unboxing. The thing is, one, I've already unboxed some of the additional items that came in from 22K. And then the other thing is I'm actually still waiting on 22K items to come in. So there's gonna be 3 parts, 4 parts, I don't know. There's like this supply chain issue. Chanel's taking forever, especially the ready to wear. So it's going to be part 22K. And then I had kind of surprised myself and sort of impulse purchased something from Coco Neige. So that's the 22N. So we're just gonna do a couple of instant reveals and then we'll get to the Coco Neige and then we'll call it a day. That's the video. So thank you so much for joining. Okay, to start, I was supposed to actually here is a caviar, oh my gosh, what's the word? A caviar hot pink wallet on chain from 22K. I was supposed to originally get the dark pink or hot pink from 22A. It didn't come in. And then this one came in from 22K, which is the next season. And my sales associate asked me if I wanted to take this one. I said yes. And then of course, a couple days later, the 22A one that I had originally reserved came in, but I actually like this color a little bit better. And it's hard to see because I have this ring light. Let me change the tone of the light. My skin will look bad, but maybe the caviar will look good. Yeah, this is more the true color. This is like a white light. It makes me look crazy. But you can see that's like a very bright sort of like Barbie colored pink. And this is like medium tone light. And then this is warm light. I guess we could go medium tone. I don't know. You get the idea. You know how I look. This is my face. It's not that different. Anyway, so I really love the color of this walk. I love a walk and I was excited to add another caviar one to my collection. I was finding that the black boy walk that I have and then the original burgundy walk, they're actually some of my most used because it's caviar. Like you don't have to worry about it as much. Now I am more and more comfortable these days with lambskin items. As you know, I have a lot of lambskin items, but for a wallet on chain, which you only wear crossbody, it's just better. Like the crossbody is where most color transfer happens because it's so rubbing on you versus just on your shoulder. And so for the wallet on chain, I was happy to have a caviar color and I really liked this very pretty color pink. This is of course the new style with the button lock and then the middle zippers and then that layout that we all know and love. And then she is cutely made in France. So that was the next 22K. Was actually supposed to be the prior season. But so I guess I'm just going hard on fall winter walk that I picked up. And the next item I'm so in love with and so excited about. I really didn't dress for this pink occasion though. The next item is this tweed mini, which is so cute. Here, I'll show them side by side. They are different pinks. The tweed has like has this bright pink that runs through it. If you can see the colors in the thread. And they're both light gold hardware. Yeah, both light gold hardware, which I like. I think sometimes with these bright pinks, like a dark gold hardware can just look a little bit more vintage. The pocket in the back. But I just love the detail of this tweed. It's so pretty. This one has a little bit more structure than some of the other tweeds. I would say it's not as soft as some tweeds that I've felt, but it is more structured. Like you can see, like there's not a lot of squish there, which I like. And it has this really pretty leather interior. Actually, this leather might be a better compare for the wallet on chain. So you can see this one's brighter, and then this one's more of that medium pink with the regular, zip pocket interior with the little badge. So those are the 2 things that came in from 22K. I do have another tweed bag and some ready to wear items, like I said, that I'm waiting on. So we'll see. I hope the ready to wear comes in soon because it's actually starting to get cold. And so I'm just really excited, but I guess I will continue to wait. Then, let me just put these back. Then Coco Neige came out, and this is a smaller collection that not every boutique gets. It's like it's a capsule collection for like ski season. And there was one item that this person, CC Curator on Instagram, if you don't follow her, you have to follow her. Her collection account, whatever, is totally amazing. Posted this bag, and I immediately texted my SA, and I was like, oh my gosh, did you get one of these? Did you order it? Because the boutique that I shop was getting Coco Neige for the first time. Not every boutique gets it, so that was kind of exciting. And he was like, yes. And it turned out they had only ordered one, and I was able to purchase it, and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna show you this bag, and you may know already from the thumbnail because I just tried to take a thumbnail photo and totally failed. And then you'll see that for obvious reasons, I also forwent, like what's the past tense of forego? Decided to forego, there we go, a box, because look at this bag, just like, I don't think I can, I'll just go behind. I'll see you guys later. I'll just be, it's like, it's ridiculous. Okay, there you go. The other end is, it's way over there. All right, it's like the biggest bag I've ever seen. Inside, oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this piece. It's just the dust bag because I said no box, because a box would have been absurd, and as it is, I have like box storage problems. But they said if I ever needed a box, I could come back and get a box. So I got this. Oh my gosh, you can see the print so good. So it is the Coco Neige nylon duffel bag, and it has a turn lock here. Let me just walk you through this bag. It's so good. Okay, so it has a turn lock on this side, like a little slip pocket. Very cute. Okay, a handle on this side so you can like grab it down from like the overhead bin or wherever. A D-ring here for a strap, which is inside. You get it. This little separate pocket here, I think it's good for like shoes. Okay. This little handle clip that unsnaps. Okay, 2 leather straps. Oh, and then on this side, it does have a little, it's so cute, like the Mademoiselle, the Mona Lisa smile pocket. And then here's the tag, and we'll cover that in a second. Okay, double zip at the top, and it's filled with paper. But the inside's nylon, and there is a zipper, like a little zip pouch off to one side here too. I don't know if you can see, oh yeah, you can see that little zipper. Okay. Another D-ring, another pocket. But this next thing is the reason, and then the clasp has a little CC on the closure. So cute. Love those details. Okay. But look here. What does that look like to you? Maybe a backpack? Okay. There's this zipper. Sorry, I'm like turning it everywhere. You unzip this. All the way around. It's a backpack. So now you have this overnight duffel, right? And a backpack. Where am I putting these things? Running out of space. And the backpack straps tuck inside here. Oops. So it's nylon and leather, and they're very adjustable. Okay. You could unhook them all the way and then zip them in there if you want. But Otherwise, the zipper, like I don't understand because the zipper doesn't close when you're using it as a backpack, but it's a little pouch back here. You could stick your phone for easy access. Front has this turn lock section. Put that back in. It's all stuffed so nicely. And then it's just, you know, it's a little backpack purse. Let me take the stuffing out. So we can see. Like, it's pretty roomy. There you go. Bonus backpack. I was like, this is so cute. So it comes in 3 colors. Light blue that I think is only international. I'm not sure. Baby pink, which I know is in the United States, and black. Now you're like, Maddie, you're a pink girl. Why did you get black? Well, this is like a travel item. And imagine the light pink put up in the overhead bin space, which is like so dirty and never cleaned in the plane, by the way. No, thank you. The black will be just like a little bit more hard wearing. I mean, look, and it has this really subtle print to it. Like it's showing up really well right now because of the light, but in normal lighting, you can like barely see, like there's CC, it says Chanel all over. There's like a really good CC in front there. Okay, but you see how much you can see that right now. Go back and adjust the light with hopefully out without knocking things over. Okay, so without the light, you could like barely even tell. It is very subtle in reality. Wow, these lights do so much for the face, truly. So that is the item I grabbed. It's so cute. And this backpack's just like the perfect little, and it's really nice for travel because then you kind of have 2 in 1. Let's say like even on the plane, you keep this zip together as like your one carry-on item, and then you can have a separate tote as a personal item. But then when you get to the city or wherever you're going, you have this extra bag, like little day pack ready to go. It's very cute. The only thing is I wish it had like a small top handle, but that's okay. You can hold it by the straps. So cute. It's so cute. And all right, so now let's talk details. So this is 22N, which is the Coco Neige, and this was $5,900. Now that's a lot of money, obviously, for a mostly nylon bag too, but I will say that, you know, there are some bags at Chanel that are $4,000 and just like a little shoulder bag. Like I wouldn't put it past them, you know, like how much do you think this backpack would cost by itself if it wasn't attached to the duffel bag, even being nylon? I mean, it's pretty good value for money, Chanel money in the Chanel world, Chanel dollars. And then to reattach it, and I'm getting better at this, but it's kind of hard to do with it in your lap like this. You just slide the little, of course, now the pressure's on. Okay, sorry. Ugh. I just don't want to knock over the, okay, there you go. And you just zip it on. When they're like, I'm sorry, ma'am, you have too many items. You're like, hold please, let me make it one item for you. And now I'm ready to board the plane. So cute. And you have the 2 little turn lock pockets. It's like so sweet. And then the shoulder strap, which makes it really easy to carry. I also like that it's black so that then when I'm at the airport and maybe I need help with my bag from my husband, he's like very happy to carry this versus the baby pink one. I mean, he's fine with the baby pink one too, but I like to save him a little bit just because of how many other things I put him through. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of this item down below, and let me know if you're waiting on anything from prior seasons and this whole supply chain, shipping, slow, whatever situation that's going on with Chanel. And I hope you have a great day. Okay, thanks for joining me. Bye.